How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can reschedule all your cards in Anki. Now, it's going to be extremely simple. First things first, you want to click on the deck that you want to reschedule. So in my case, it's going to be this one. Click on Browse and just navigate through the deck that you want to totally reset. In here, you can press Ctrl A on your keyboard. It will simply highlight everything, so you can right click on it, and then there will be the reschedule option on this section. Unfortunately, in my case, that option is disabled. You can also navigate through the top of your screen, navigate through cards, and a reschedule option will then show up. And so that's everything that you need to do in order to simply reset all your cards in Anki. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. And as always, thanks for watching.